Hello, what's up guys? My name is Ishan Venkat and today I will be teaching you how to make a Discord bot in Python. I'll be using Python 3.8, 3.6.8 and I'll be using discord.py version 1.0.1, which is the rewrite branch. The rewrite branch and the async branch are two different branches, and the async is the old one and the rewrite is the new one. I'll be using the new one for this series. This is a new series, and when I started making Discord bots, I was very frustrated because I couldn't find any good tutorials on YouTube. So I thought that by making YouTube videos, I could help all of you guys that are watching right now. Alright, so let's get on to it. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to set up a Discord bot, how to make it, as in the basics of the most basic stuff that all Discord bot people, that all programmers do to make a Discord bot. Alright, so if we go here, this is the official GitHub repository for discord.py. Here it'll show you how to download discord.py, the module, onto any OS. And here is how to use it. Down here, this is the official Discord server of discord.py. This is if you need any questions, you can go ask them. You can join their Discord. Alright, so now let's go on to the documentation. This is the documentation for Discord version 1.0.1. As you can see here, it says migrating to version 1.0. What that means is if you're moving from the old async version to the new rewrite version, you can look at this and it'll help you to migrate from the old version to the new version. Alright, so now what you can do is you can go to discord.com. Here, I'm assuming that you've already logged in as it says open over there. If you hover over developers, you can go into the developer portal. Inside here, it'll give you a list of applications. Like I already have Randy down here. That is my bot that I've created with a few of my friends. And so if I do new application, I can do YouTube bot, and I'll create that. And here it says this is my client ID, and this is, if you scroll down to bot here, it says build a bot. You can add your bot. Yes, do it. And so you have officially just created your first Discord bot. This token is going to be very important. So now we can go on to the code. For this, I'll be using PyCharm 2019. If you guys want to use the same ID, you can, but I guess any ID works. Like you can use idle that is given to you by Python. But let's go on with it. So here inside terminal, you can do pip install Discord. And so this will just install Discord for you guys. For me, it says requirement already satisfied, which means that I already have it. And it might take a bit longer for you guys. So now inside our code, we can do import Discord. And all we're doing is importing the module that we downloaded down here. So now from discord.ext, which is the extension for Discord, import commands. And what this commands does is just the basic for all commands in this Discord bot for Python. So now what we can do is we can make a variable called client is equal to commands. We take this commands and we put it here, commands dot bot. Make sure it's capitalized like that. Command underscore prefix is equal to, I'm just going to give it exclamation mark. You can customize it however you want. I see a lot of people using dots, carrots, so I'll be using exclamation mark for this one. Alright, so now what we can do is we can do at client.event. So in our next video that's going to be coming up in our second episode here, I'll be explaining to you what events are and how they do it. But this is just the most basic stuff. All this does is it just gives a client. It's just the event of when the bot starts up. So if we just make an asynchronous definition here, on ready. All this means is when the bot starts up, when it is ready to roll, all it does is it prints out, it does whatever inside the function it is. So I'll just make it print logged in as print client.user.id, and so this is .name, and this just gives its name inside, and then we can just do print client.user.id. This just gives the ID of the bot, and then we're going to print 6-1 2 3 4 5 6, and all this does is it just gives it a systematic order where it prints inside the terminal when the bot is ready and when it's ready to go. I'm just gonna add this extra space here. Alright, how do we put a Discord bot inside your server? So if we go back to our Chrome here, or whatever you're using, if you see here, you can go to OAuth 2. Inside OAuth 2, you'll have multiple scopes. Since this is a bot, we'll just click bot here. And for testing purposes, we'll give it administrator permissions. But if you don't want to give it administrator permissions, you can give it any one of these other ones, like send messages. That's really important. Manage messages, which we'll get to later on. So all you have to do is copy this. This is the modified link that it gives you. It changes it with the client ID in there. And so now if you do this, paste it inside your browser. Aha, see, look, YouTube bot connected to Discord. I'll just give it to bot testing. It is a server that I made just for this purpose, and I'll give it administrator permissions. Yep, I am not a robot, I think, you know. Authorized, there you go. So now if we go here to our Discord bot testing, it said YouTube bot hopped into the server. Alright, very good. So now if we go back into our code, we have to get a token. Client.run token. And so how do we get the token? The token is very important. Remember what I told you earlier about token? What we can do here is we can just say token is equal to that. And so if we go back here, we can close this. If we go into bot once again, you see this token, you click copy, and it copies it into your clipboard. And so you can just paste it right there. Wow, look at it. It's a bunch of letters and dots. Very good. So now if we click run, it shows up as logged in as YouTube bot, gives its ID. And this is just a very organized fashion to show that the bot is up and ready to roll. And so as you can see now, wow, YouTube bot is now online. And so in future episodes, I'll show you how you can change that so that it can display different things. But for now, this is just the most basic things that all Discord bots have on ready function, which gives something sort of like this. Everyone has their own customization, but I have something else to show you. This is my GitHub repository, which is I'll have all of my code written here from this. You can come and check it out down in this. I'll have all 3 links in the description below. And yeah, if you haven't already, hit that like button and also hit subscribe if you want to see more content. Thank you very much. Catch you on the flip side.